Bechamel isn't boring. We just use it in boring ways. Here's my take on the classic and how it becomes a croque madame. A simple bechamel becomes a Mornay with Louis-Dalle, a cheese that melts cleanly and supports the sauce without taking over. And if you want that extra silky smooth texture, you would pass it through a fine mesh sieve. The mustards are added gently off the heat, so they sharpen the sauce without overpowering it. Whole grain for texture, Dijon for depth, and an egg yolk to finish for richness, sheen, and balance. Keep it warm on the side while we build our sandwich. I use regular butter here, but clarified butter gives you more control, a higher smoke point, cleaner flavor, and better color. I toast the first slice until golden brown. Layer in some artisanal smoked ham, and a little bit more grated Louis-Dalle because we're making a grilled cheese on steroids. Once it's crispy golden underneath, we flip that around, throw it in the oven, not to cook, but just to melt. And while that's doing its thing, fry an egg, chop some fresh chives, and get ready for the final assembly. Pouring that hot mustard bechamel / Mornay on top. So this is no ordinary croque madame that I've made. I've topped it off with an egg, got that Louis-Dalle cheese and the moutarde l'ancienne. This is no ordinary croque madame. It's actually with a mustard bechamel. Okay. Oh, you know what? Let's get a nice little close-up of this. This is rich, but not heavy. The mustard cuts through the bechamel, keeping everything sharp and balanced. The bread stays crisp, the cheese melts into the ham, and the yolk just breaks everywhere. The fresh chives and texture of the salt at the end just makes this moment amazing. Oh my god. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta make this as soon as possible.